I was watching this video on life and stuff, videos on evolution and life and how basically we're living chemical. I think that's kind of horrible truth because, people can burn to death and, our body parts can be burned, people can burn and destroy bodies. Blah, 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 blah. The point is, what I'm saying is, all the systems, it seems all the planets in our solar system are messed up. Like Mercury's too hot and freezing and too close to the sun. Venus is running a greenhouse effect. Earth, though we have life, life means death. Nothing, because the only way death can happen is if a creature wants living, and so on and so forth. But the whole point is on life. We think that being alive is precious and stuff, but how some people choose to rather die living than live being dead? And now I'll kind of see why, like people in prison and stuff like that, especially innocent people, and people who are on ventilators and stuff, they choose to die rather than live and suffer. To some people who are against it, like the Terry Schiavo thing, I understand that they think life, but mostly we want to be alive because we like life and we're living and, we're relatively healthy. But have you noticed that Mars and those other planets get along fine, or as far as the planet is concerned, fine without so much as a microbe on it, as far as we know? So, I don't think life is that, well, I'm an atheist, I think I may have said that, but, have you ever really looked around and saw these other planets and realized that we're just chemical? So, if we're just chemical and stuff, like carbon and all that stuff, I think that on other stars, like out there, there probably is other life, and it may evolve the same way we do, where, first fish-like, first microbes, then worm-like creatures, then fish, amphibian, reptile, birds and mammals, and they'll split different lines. Who knows if they're tetrapods or have more limb, etc., etc. But have you ever just looked at the way someone acts, like someone aggressive acts, like police and cops and everything? We say, oh, they're just following orders, but no, that person chose how to live their life, and they chose that lifestyle because it suits them. Unless the person can get a better job, why would they choose to go into the army or be a drill sergeant, like if they know they're going to yell at people? If they like ordering people around already, and like being a tough guy and stuff, and military and whatever, then they sign up for the army because they want to live their life and learn how to do it and know how to do it better. So, why we choose these different classes? We say they're just following orders, but again, they chose how to live their life, how to blindly follow orders from people and have them do atrocities in their name and whatever. So, I guess it's just about how life, and you see all these nature shows, how life kills each other and stuff, and we have to eat. Even herbivores have to eat and kill plants, because those are living cells. So just think about it. So,